today we will be talking about how to use payment installment app in erpnext. So first of all, we have to create the payment term. So here I just created the two payment term. One is the advance. So here I just mentioned the 20% advance, and then here I just created the rest of 80% will be in the 12-month installment. So then after I just link the payment term in payment term templates. So here I just created the payment term template, and here I just added that two payment terms. Then after we will create the sales order. So for that I just go into the sales order, and here I just created the sales order. So once I will select the customer, and then I will select the delivery date. Then after select the product. So I have a product 1, and I will mention the rate 50,000, and then here we have to select the another product. Okay, so now total is the 75,000. So once we save it, then we will add the extra charges and insurance charges. So for that we have to move into the terms tab, and from terms tab we will get the add extra charge button. So from add extra charge we will select the extra charge and maybe amount, for example this one. Okay, so once we click on the confirm, it will create extra charge line in the cell items, but it will not add the amount in total. Okay, so it will show the total for the only product. Okay, extra for the extra charge we will pay on table. So for that extra charge it will not include in the total. So now again we will add extra charge like the insurance charge 350. So same way it will automatically create the insurance charges line, and it will not include in the total. Then after we will select the payment terms. Here we can see that we have installment details, down payment details, installments in the terms tab. Now I will select the payment term template which we already created. So once we select the payment terms, then it will automatically calculate the down payment and the remaining amount, and it's tenure. So now installment amount is 5,000. So as we can see that we have a down payment 15,000 because here we have a total 75,000, and 20% of 75,000 is a 15,000. For the extra charges and insurance charges it will include, and then current invoice. So now we will save this. Once we will save, then we will submit the sales order. So once we submit, system will automatically create one outstanding invoice, and it will automatically create the installments. So here we can see that we have an installment down payment for 15,000 and extra charge, so which is paid because we already created one invoice. So from here connection tab we can see the sales invoice, okay, which is outstanding, and here we can see that 15,000 as a down payment, okay, and the extra charges which is included in this invoice. So now again I will go into the sales order, and we will check for the installment. So from here it will calculate the installment amount 5,000, okay, based on this here. Okay, automatically calculate the installment amount, and it automatically calculate 12-month installment. So in the system there are a scheduler which will run every day, and it will create the invoice before the two days of installment date. So for example here in our sales order, first installment date is the 27th of July. So system will automatically create the sales invoice on 25th of July. So means 2 days ago system will create the invoice, and it will automatically link with sales order. So this is just a flow of payment installment app in erpnext. So thank you.